How to see who shared your post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app, then go to your profile on the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three lines in the top right, left, and then scroll down, go to settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Now scroll down and uh, you'll be able to see uh, notifications. Tap on it and then go to more activity about you, and there make sure that it is toggled on. So as you can see, if it is toggled on, you'll be able to see your friend shared your photo. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.